In this video, we are going to fix 0x800f0982 Windows Update 23H2 error. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to uninstall recently added language. So how we can do that here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, you need to proceed here at the left pane. Please find for an option which is called the time and language. Click on here. And afterwards, you would be able to see for list. You need to navigate to language region. And then by that, you will be able to see the languages that you have recently installed here or recently added. Please click on the three lines or the three dots, sorry, three dots corresponding to it and click on remove. Once you have removed it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to uninstall or older updates. So by that, here at the start again, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Here at the settings, you need to navigate here at the left pane, find for the Windows Update and click on it. And under the Windows Update, okay, you need to scroll down, find for an option which is the Advanced Options. And under the Advanced Options, you need to find for the list of updates, okay? So if you haven't find any here, you can click on this backward arrow and then you can proceed to update history. And in this way, you'd be able to see the update history. So please scroll down, proceed to uninstall updates. And from that, you can see uninstall updates here. Okay, where you can uninstall updates. Look at the date and then just have to identify those dates. Okay, so those dates that are outdated. Then click on uninstall here. And once you have uninstalled it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. However, if not, then we need to move on to the last solution, and that is you need to delay Windows Update. So by that, you need to navigate to the Windows Update, and from here, please proceed to Post Updates. Click on this down arrow key and post it for either 1 week or 2 weeks. Once you've set it, okay, you need to wait until the process would be finished, check if it's working, okay, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click and then turn on the bell icon or the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.